Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this is Coincidental Twist. And yeah, the design of this puzzle was a coincidence, but actually that's not where the name comes from. When I was working on the Inca Cube, which is the puzzle that you see here, I stumbled upon this geometry. And you may not recognize this as anything special, but what you're seeing here, this sphere, has the property that, okay, it's made from all rectangular blocks, and all the points are at the surface of a sphere. And not only the outer points, but also the inner points and the valley points over there. And yeah, this is a special geometry because we have coincidences of cut planes where the cut plane here, here and there, they all coincide at the surface of a sphere. And as you know, twisty puzzles, they are based on spheres. So what I did is taking this geometry, I took a simpler version, and what you see is when we see the cut planes, then at all points there is a coincidence where three cut planes meet each other. And usually this is something that you want to avoid in twisty puzzles, but here I wanted to use it instead as a feature. This one was 3D printed by Jason Gavril, also known as Chewbacca, and yeah, the puzzle is not turning perfectly. That is more my fault than anyone else's, but yeah, we got it working, and what you see here is that, well, it's quite catchy, but once you get it turning, we can scramble it, and when you have one face turned, then of course we can continue with the other faces. So yeah, it's a very interesting design. Perhaps the inner mechanism could be improved because currently the inner mechanism completely relies on this coincidence, and actually the pieces, they hang by the edges and the centers, so the corners are free floating. But yeah, it's an interesting twisty puzzle based on this coincidental discovery. And my question to you is about this geometry. It was very nice to use it for a twisty puzzle. What other types of things can we use it for? Thank you for watching.